Hey guys, I hope my Glow Tarts are doing good today. I'm still having a little bit of trouble hearing out my left ear for some reason. This cold just will not leave me alone. But other than that, I have finally got some more May BoxyCharm's spoilers. Thank goodness. I thought that they forgot about May and it was just going to be a big surprise. But anyways, so Joe posted, well, not Joe, I guess Joe's Instagram got hacked, and you know what it is, Joe and his little, how he puts out sneak peeks, which I think it's really fun how he does this, so I really do like it. So anyways, on there it shows that Joe's Instagram is hacked, and it's trying to give you hints of who it is, and they say they want to be a part of the May box. So they give us a little hint on who they are, and it says that they were part of the June or January or I think October box, and then the last clue was you could call us Rainus, and that leads me to believe that that is going to be Alamar Cosmetics because they were in, I think, June's box. I'm not exactly sure. Don't quote me on that one. But at BoxyCharm's sneak peek, she seems to think the same thing that I do. Okay, so the only thing that we can think of is actually they do have the Volume 2 Raina eye palette, which now she also said that she heard that that will not be in the May box, but she was unsure if that was a valid quote. So if it's not the palette, they do have some newly launched blush trios, which are absolutely gorgeous. That would be perfect for the BoxyCharm box. And then they also have some lip glosses, and that's the one that she thinks that it might be. And then the last thing is, of course, they got their brushes, their little brush trios. So it could be any one of those. So I will keep you updated. Of course, this is not confirmed yet. So I will keep you updated on this situation, and I'll go ahead and show you what we already know of, which is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser or the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream. Now, you're going to get one of those two items in your May BoxyCharm box, and the rest of it, guys, we are just going to wing it. We're going to wait on them to confirm it. We know it's going to be Alamar because of the clue of Raina's. But that is the end of this video, guys. I did want to update, so make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every time I upload a video. You do not want to miss any of these spoilers. And also, guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. It don't really matter, just as long as YouTube sees that you are at least watching my videos. And one more thing, guys, before you leave, one more big favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.